Good morning dear students. Last day we done with the simple tags of HTML. Now we will also discuss about the table tag. Here I type the program. So let's start. First we type the HTML tag. After that we type the head tag. Then we type the table, and in the table tag we give the title of the table. We give just table name. Then after that we close the head tag here. Now starting the body tag, type the body tag and then start the table type like this. Table have three type of tags. First is tr tag, second is th tag, and third is td tag. Tr tag refer to the table row, and th refer to the table heading, and td refer to the table data. Here you all student also show the some other tags like br tag, pre tag. Br tag we use for a break a line, means go for an next line and give the break between 2 and 3 words, and pre tag is used for also use like a break, give the break between the words and space. Br tag is a simple tag, no need to close it, but pre tag is a not a single tag, is a double tag. It's also need to close with the slash tag. In a tr table row tag we type the th, and here we give the heading of the table, like we give the input, output and storage.
See this output.
Or in this table heading we give the table data to use the td tag, and we give keyboard, monitor and CD and DVD. We also use the next line for give the table data, mouse, printer and hard disk. Now input is your table heading, in which keyboard and mouse is table data, same as it. Output is table heading, in which monitor and printer is table data. Then storage is table heading, and CD, DVD and hard disk is a table data. Same like the last tags, we close with the body tag here, and in the last we close the HTML tag. We also close the table tr tags, and also close th tag here, also close td tag start here, and also close here with the slash tag. मीन्स जो भी आपने टैग स्टार्ट करना है उसको आपने साथ ही साथ क्लोज करना है स्लैश टैग के साथ. सो होप यू ऑल स्टूडेंट understand the table tag and how do we create the table program in HTML. Now we see the output. Minimize this window. We save this program with the jj.html, and now this internet file show on a desktop. Then double click on it, and your Internet Explorer file is open. Here see input, output and storage, your table heading, and in which keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, CD, DVD and hard disk here table data. So it's create a table. Hope you all understand this video and enjoy this video. Thank you very much.